what we have here is some log ends, and they go back in. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut them off. We're going to cut them off, and then we're going to put a new log piece in, because these are to the point where you can't really do much with this. It goes back in, this one and that one, and the one on the other end. So we're gonna put a new piece in, and I think we can get it to match pretty close. So I'll come back with the other video, but you can see that there's really not much I can do with that. You know, so we're just going to change that out. Well, here we are in November. 2018 was the worst summer that I can ever recall. But we did strip all the old stain off this house. Here's a couple of the log corners that were bad. We changed those out. The bottom one and the third one up are, you know, the ones that have been replaced. Pretty close match to what was here. And I'm just kind of walking around here. We replaced some section of the railing, put that back up. Here's another log end here that we changed out. It would be the second one up. And even the covered porch section. Now, if you remember on the earlier video, there was a lot of rips and tears. The chinking wasn't put on thick enough. Then we put log end seal on the logs. Had an issue with that out on the exposed areas, so we sealed that end grain up. And I don't know if you can tell, but the end grain sealed up real well. And it's a wrap.